Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Feedly. So Feedly is like a news RSS feed article aggregator where you can see all the articles from your favorite websites or blogs all in one place. Now, as far as how to set up Feedly goes, I set up my feeds, which is this left-hand side here. I set it up based on how I read my news. So not how I read my news, but I set it up based on categories of news that I'm interested in. So the example news that I'm interested in is apps and software, TV shows, sports, and then I have my two favorite TV shows here, Star Trek and Yellowstone. So you can organize your feeds based on however you want. And within these feeds, you basically feed these feeds with different RSS feeds. So within apps and software, if I click on here, let's actually go to Star Trek. You can click on my options and then click on manage feeds. So these are all the blogs and articles that I've added into this feed here so I can see all in one place. So see how easy it is to just for me to read the titles of all these articles rather than having to actually go into their website. It really makes it easy as far as understanding the information that's being laid out upon you. And so as far as adding articles go, you can click this RSS feed plus icon and then you can search here. So if you want to do Star Trek, you can search the web. You can actually add Reddit posts or threads. You can add this one here, Star Trek Online. This one's inactive. You can see how many followers they have. You can see all the different Star Trek blogs. And if you want to actually add this blog to one of your feeds, all you've got to do is click on, let's add this Reddit post blog. You just click on follow and then you add it into Star Trek Nation. So now it's been added. So now anytime a new article or discussion appears in this Reddit thread, it'll also appear in Star Trek Nation or as a feed. Now with the feeds, you also have this thing called boards. So anytime you're interested in reading an article in one of your feeds, let's do this one here, this Christmas Eve, humans will try to embrace a star. So if we click on this article here, you can actually save it to a board. So if I save this to Star Trek Nation, it's now going to appear on this board here. So think of this as like a different filtering option, which allows you to look back at all the saved articles within a certain category. So the feed is basically unfiltered articles being sent to you, and then the board is just another way of actually filtering it. So if I change the layout of this to title view, you can see my handful of articles that I've saved to this board, anything related to Star Trek, and it just makes it easy for me to actually go ahead and open up an article. And then with that, I can actually visit the website. And I could even add notes as well if I want to add notes regarding this article. But that essentially is how to set up Feedly. You simply just set up feeds, you add links to feeds, and then you set up boards, and then you save those articles to these boards so that you can reference them back later. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up Feedly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.